Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan test COVID-19 positive, confirms Dr. Faisal. Prime Minister Imran Khan has tested COVID-19 positive on Saturday, confirmed SAPM on Health Dr. Faisal Sultan. Haqqan Abbasi reached out to Bilawal for support in Karachi's NA 249 seat. Former Prime Minister and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Shahid Haqqan Abbasi has on Saturday called on Pakistan People's Party chairman Bilawal Bhutto ahead by poll on Karachi's NA 249 by polls to seek support. Young girl gang raped in Karachi. Police arrested 2 suspects. A young girl has been gang raped by more than 4 people in Karachi Mangupir neighborhood, as police claimed that they have arrested 2 suspects for their role in the horrific episode. NA 249 by poll PTI request MQMP to withdraw candidate. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf delegation on Saturday visited Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan Bahadurabad office to discuss matters related to NA 249 by poll. Vaccination centers will shut down on Sunday's public holidays. National Command and Operations Center on Saturday announced that the COVID-19 vaccination centers will remain closed on Sundays and public holidays across the country. Aima Beg and Shehbaz Shigri are officially engaged. Shehbaz Shigri has finally put a ring on Aima Beg, making their engagement officially. Pakistan reports 42 more COVID-19 deaths. Positivity ratio rises to 9.46%. Coronavirus has claimed 42 more lives in Pakistan during the past 24 hours, taking the overall death toll to 13,799. This is the end of today's news. Take care of yourselves and others. Stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.